Hey all, Wild for Games here to help you understand Mixer's platform. In this video, I'm going to show you what Embers are and how to use them. Let's go. Embers are Mixer's form of paid currency that you can use to spend on premium skills that are going to help support your favorite streamer. Now, you still earn sparks for free by watching your favorite streamer, and those sparks can still be used for skills, mix play, and more, but Embers allow you to access the premium skills such as animated stickers and full screen effects. Embers are more of a direct way to help financially support your favorite streamer on Mixer. Now, there are a few places where you can purchase Embers to use. If you're logged in under your own account on mixer.com, in the top right corner, you will see an icon for Embers that you can click on and purchase directly from there. Likewise, if you're watching your favorite streamer and you go down to where the skills button is, it'll pop up an icon for Embers where again, you can click on that and purchase Embers. You can even purchase Embers through the Mixer mobile app and also the Xbox One app. When purchasing Embers, you'll notice that there is a price difference as well as different price breaks at a certain number. That's because there is a premium associated to purchasing Embers that unfortunately you have to pay for. However, when you send Embers from you to your favorite streamer, it is a 1-to-1 ratio from what I have seen from people on the platform, and for every 1 Ember you send over to your favorite streamer, they get 1 US cent. Now that you have your Embers, you're ready to spend them and use them on your favorite streamer. Simply go into their channel, and from there you can go to the skill tray where you can now use the premium skills. Select the skill you'd like to purchase, and if you like, you can even include an additional optional message that'll be highlighted in chat. Using Embers is one of the best ways to help financially support your favorite streamer on Mixer's platform. But if you're still new to this platform and you're kind of confused with the difference between what is a Ember and what is a spark, don't worry. I'm gonna do you a favor and put a video over here to the side that's gonna show you exactly what a spark is and how to accumulate experience points for your badge. Until next time, my name is Wild for Games, and I will see all of you beautiful people in the next quick Mixer video coming out real soon. Take care all, and peace!